Hi everyone, welcome back to Everything Easy Talk. I'm Gautam, founder of ET Talk. This channel is made for those people, especially who want to speak English language. Because I saw many people feel shy or nervous while speaking English, and but remember one thing's confidence come from practice. That's why on this channel I try to teach you in the simplest way and possibles we learn daily life sentences, vocabulary, and speaking techniques that you can use in your daily life. So if you are serious about your improving English, so stay connected with this channel and practice daily, and definitely you will become a fluent speaker, guys. So if you haven't subscribed this channel, so please do subscribe and like also, and press the bell icons and comment also. And if you comment also and share your loved ones, family, friends, so that everyone's keep getting my video on time, please share. Okay, so see you next video, guys.